So I made one short on this already, and it's explaining why this vehicle has had 3 mobile DPF cleaners and a DPF cleaner in a garage with a machine has removed the DPF, cleaned it, yet it still have issues. This is the reason why. If we rev it up and then let go, the pressure here doesn't come down on this one because the pipe is blocked. So I'm going to clean it out and we'll show you the difference. So I've drilled down the pipe. Now we've got the fluid going through at 130 psi. Now we can see, if we look at these graphs, it's up and down, nice and quick stream up and down, and both charts are very similar. Now you see the soot coming down from 32 grams down to less than 6. And that's another happy customer.